Okay, so I'm going to explain how NAT processing works in Palo Alto firewall. Because Palo Alto uses zones, so it is a little bit more complicated than a firewall which doesn't use zones. Okay, so let's begin. Okay, so the flow of traffic is from here, ingress interface to the egress interface. Okay, so the packet comes in at the interface, and the firewall determines the source zone. Then it does a route lookup to determine the egress interface and the destination zone where the packet needs to go. Next is the NAT rule evaluation. So here, the source and destination addresses are pre-NAT, and the source and destination zones are also pre-NAT. Okay, next is security policy lookup. Okay, so here is a little bit more complicated because of the zones. So here what happens is I'm gonna make this red. So similar to NAT rule evaluation, in the security policy lookup, the source and destination addresses are pre-NAT, but it looks at the source and destination zone need to be post-NAT. Like after the translation, what are the zones? That's what the security policy looks at. If those zones are not put in the translated IP addresses zones, then the traffic will be dropped. And then after this, the actual translation happens. And then the packet leaves the firewall out to the destination. Yeah. So again, the summary is I wrote it here also. In the NAT policy, zones and addresses are pre-NAT, and in the security policy, the IP addresses are again pre-NAT, but the zones need to be the post-NAT, the zones for the post-NAT IP addresses. So yeah, that's the summary.